How to put Nintendo Switch Fortnite account on PS5. So let's get started. The most important thing to know about this process is that it does not take place on the Nintendo Switch itself. In fact, you never even have to properly log into your PSN account on the Switch version of Fortnite. Instead, the changes you will make occur using Epic's online account system, which can now freely interact between Sony's PlayStation Network and the Nintendo account system. If you never bothered playing Fortnite on Switch and never made a Nintendo centric account in the first place, then you are in even better shape. So, now, if you did happen to create an Epic account linked to your Nintendo Switch, then visit the official Fortnite site and hit login at the top right of the page, then sign in with your email and password. Hover over your username at the top right of the screen and click on account and click on connected accounts and scroll down and you should see these images. Now, Switch should have the word disconnect underneath it. This means that your Switch progress is signed up. PS4 on the other hand should have the word connect underneath it. Click it and next you will have to log in with your PSN ID credentials. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.